dokno di onima aduane die wodi just what kenke baako a wontimi nkomienu da esanse mu odu emu api kama ekoye pa every just bread and pastries wo makache na eba bibia eye fine abusia wo madawroma wo na wo maso yasene ya yesomo ene anwumere ewo sompa 106.5 FM enkran de anu nie sompa 93.1 eno asantemantam wo mo agye agum denden ya obia etie bie hyane soma me se ye twabo sompo ne ye kwa amono ne a France ahin kro Paris mu ehwo na adamfo pa radio wo ya wo no so gikase ya gbapeten afi ye mrafie sompa 101.1 ewo takwa sompa 103.3 eno watakura de sompa 106.1 ewo tachiman sompa 98.9 eno butusunyan sompa 90.7 won kranza na sompa 101.3 eno ewo doma FM 100.7 so wajikase ya bobedem ya omanfo ho nyina no etie bi ewo ho abusua hyane nso ese kanehie ban radio nso ejikase ya bo apete kama no omanfo re nyina nya bi etie o kanehie okese mu ho ene lorry station ho nyina na fe ya fa ho no a kanehie kwan no a kwa akofa woja ho no a na fe ya tiesim ni ya fa kasuwa anase oduponpe ni afi ye wuro mu afa uni ba junction yedu mankasi mu a eno ye kingdom 106.1 FM womada wuromenti emfifi mantamu efiri kasuwa ede kwa kosi denchirabo ase wo mu nyina gikase no ede fa radio papa ne wo emfifi mantamu no kingdom 106.1 womo so ya asempatre dwumade ne ewo ho yemfa seda piesie emfama wo mu nyina information center so piankoma womo ginsem na bo apete no ebura katia ho nwi womada wuroma na wote yenka ewo Ghana ha ene babia benche yemu nyina yemfa seda piesie emfama wo na afei Ghana nkomo no yemfa nso mu abusia medin ede odoma nkoma chiame obrempon na kwaku ampoma na ene ena ye bon nkomoyi na eye china poten ena nkomoyi ebeba so nanso no ye hyase abro nsuo ntam na ye nia ye kokko ene se nyame adom wada china ena empani ayidi asi wo se media budget review oso afo a wono ena hwe sikasem so wonfa nkoto Ghana mrahye beja fie eno nti mene wo kasa se sie yamane boni ba wa bedu ebo modin atefa mu e woso magazine ema wone spare parts wo mo e daily spare parts no woni bebre akwa akobo nkomo ama wo mo akire wo mo so ni wo mo hwe ani mu e de free budget no na budget na nkasa no meba na fei maba be ka ho asem bebre e de akire na emu mansa na no mame nko na menkire wo sanie asantemamu mazinfo wo mo titru ni wo mo aton spare parts wo mo sifa ehwe ne yemanim e de afa no wo mo kire se no kure ebeye panka anya hwe kran interest rate any duty yente so
expectation expecting no we be from one because we say that we are kan sheda hudi by I feel we dey say yehu enuoma say enuoma cost eduma see abema youth no so no ehun aha oh I know dey no me sheda emfa blom ni ma empenifo no fi say ya nkasa no timemfo na nkasa ne ma enuoma bo ayedin because se budget no omo release na enuoma mo ba from kra na ya nkasa timemfo ni be mani mama ya diama nti say yes ade aya hwehwe ele say ya mofra ma wudu ni mofra ti fie wa yesu wa ni aduma anye nkran kohwe nti ya srawe ni de ya pawo wala bo modin na fa aduma bra na mofra mi nya aduma anye na ya so ya wofu ye honto ye pawo show ura ya srawala wa ni de na bibi ankoso jojo ma ye
ma bien se lazem katra ban se omu titifi na omu nya adwuma nya no omu empa adwuma ma omu nya because nurses for the bia yi su omu titifi in positive teachers so sa omu nya titifi omu nya o se ye pa adwuma ma omu ye na galamsey ku ya na ko fa trouble ba ya ontumi a ya china to ndi omu ebiso eya illegal galamsey ni nyina o se chichi wo mu saba budget na de ba me hwe ni se mo be ko emfam puntu amra o man pepe se de ye kana
na mama de
the question was saying they were feeling Ghana. Media budget in the kind media and our feeling Ghana because no position or kind. So about nursing training, teachers trainings, or before Webima, agenda 111, CCBB, who the echo, nursing 40 feet, teacher 40 feet, agenda 111, abandoned and see, and so far so say, Oba it be never my phone, nursing 40 feet, Umuka, Abano, yes, I know, and watching I say, one feel here, media budget in the shame, we say, can say, health minister, Obeba Bekas and Papa Beto Ghana for us, finance minister, Bekas and Beto Ghana for us, not 2028 Abaton, Edias Mugaba, and yes, I dear Papa and Timahama, the SN say, Boston or say no, opposition, or Manimaya, Galamse no solo, in soon I say, in soon I say, in Tigalanse, the SA Brano, Abano, I say.
We a sentimental we a holistic interview about bedu ye enti because random interviews omanfo na dwen kirebie afa na yakoswa magazine na ye ne chairman ya wono na wada so magazine spare parts dealers association ya pare ye ne na akwa nkomo no ne nkomo no sei e na woka kire be wa bedu e na no woka se be ya wo montete spare parts ne so na afa interest rate wo mama ne mra form afa AI ho asem waka ho asam kakra ya wache se no kure eba port ya ma say increase duty pa importers ni wo mutua ewo ho na sane ya pare kan nsem ni
na ka yedi inyaya na ka the epenemre mai vampire na ebo say ebi o chan the unity because the previous time no ye ka enya dwuma but now ne de dollar na stable kakra na ka ebo aye but apart from dollar na stable no niam be koso adwuma mu a o so mo hwe bo aye na adwuma no koso ebi ni say ai na aba amaduti no ekoso na ye mu fa no o pe aboti America visa akwa obre enti Dubai na yedi ni akire Dubai so tupa no ama bo se ekwaje nyina no asai isi akofa de ma no Dubai a isi ori kofa baby first na ye $4,000 isi akosi free na ko $14,000 times 3 ekofo kra enti yesa ba ni se o hwe kwa we fa so abua ye ai no oma omuma ne mda fam kakra go first na wo yi ne ma no a na wo de timi de 70,000 plus I know here we check okay na na yo 100,000 it is somebody say okay obi emo na AI no omo no mu kakra mai na bank bosiana ye ti no so no it is sweet no o man ma from kakra because enebo so no ye na rate no so we ye ofaya pare no wona na okoso magazine a spare parts na ho no spare parts dealers association on the down man no say chairman enti ono ne nkomo ni ono nso waka no na empanifo se techraman pro na efrati asefo afra se ebra be se bosome nwatwe atwamu nie no ansa ne ye bedi bronya e na wosoafo a wo hwesika sem so eye kesiel atoba forsen wo ko mra sebedwam edi 2026 omayabo akohomabo eho ensem wode kwato mrahye bedwa no anim ensem de woka bi pa o na yenkoye chi kakra na yenkotie ensem no sane okeke ka no a de faaye na ba ko kan ya besine Ghana fo bebre busa ho asem eye Women's Bank no wo matwa 401 million Ghana cedis e de ato se ye de bema ye de bebie Women's Bank enso besine honorable sana okaye.
So, Speaker, we have allocated 1.1 billion Ghana cedis for LEAP program to protect the vulnerable. Mr. Speaker, to crowd in finance for women-owned micro, small, medium enterprises, we have provided 401 million Ghana cedis to fully capitalize the Women's Development Bank. Mr. Speaker, 400 million. Mr. Speaker, this is the minimum capital requirement needed to establish a standard commercial bank. Mr. Speaker, to scale skills for jobs at pace, we are allocating 170 million for the National Apprenticeship Program. Right Honorable Speaker, digital skills and SME competitiveness. We are providing 100 million for the National Coders Program and 160 million for the Dumawura program.
We aye Kasiel atoba forsen. Wanona waya soafo a ohwe sikasam so o man Ghana mu enti we on se waka say 401 million Ghana cedis a wacha say no kra na so pese o ye bie commercial bank e wo man Ghana mu a ene the seed capital ya wo hia na no no na amanfo abusa say 2026 no say ya bumu mienu ama second half no kra no ya wuram ama no kra bosume ba ko ya akwachire ba women's bank no wo mu hu ba bia e ho nsam de akwakosie eno achi wasanka kakra edefa akwan ene akwantempon sika aban twade ato ne ya big push project ne ya feeder roads urban roads ne ya highway for de ni nyina o keka ya na no so kan bi fa ho sei.
Right, Honorable Speaker, we have allocated 2 billion Ghana cedis for phase 1 of the Rural Electrification Acceleration and Urban Intensification Initiative in 2026 alone. We have also allocated an amount of 15.2 billion Ghana cedis for the energy sector shortfalls. Mr. Speaker, we have allocated an amount of 4.8 billion Ghana cedis to pay down some of the IPP legacy debt as we have negotiated. Mr. Speaker, we have also allocated an amount of 4.3 billion Ghana cedis to the Ministry of Roads and Highways for road construction. In addition to this, Mr. Speaker, we have allocated 3 billion Ghana cedis to the Road Maintenance Trust Fund to construct 10 kilometers each in 166 constituencies in 2026 to keep roads more travel in our constituencies. Right, Honorable Speaker, to strategically open the...
Me as a big push, no, highway ni ekwan akese ne nkwa na yede ye ena ekwan enketenkete ne adanta modie no eno de asem panifo nseda nka ho asem bebre emfa nkire won eno nti eno ho asem e wo ho ya amanfo bebre e kan ti na amanfo abusa se na 2026 sika ban twato wo bebre se wo de ba beboa akwan and a big push nkwa eno one day ya na eno achi no wo san kan bi fa audit report a ebie niam so e de akire wo man no.
Government was confronted with outstanding arrests and payables totaling 68.8 billion Ghana cedis, comprising 50.5 billion in unpaid invoices and interim payment certificate (IPCs) and 18.3 billion in outstanding bank transfer advices (BTS). Mr. Speaker, in fulfillment of our pledge to protect the public purse and ensure value for money, we commissioned the Auditor General, working directly with PwC and EY, to conduct an independent validation of these arrests and commitment. Mr. Speaker, as I informed this August House during the media review of the 2025 budget, this special audit covered all verified arrests and commitment as at end December 2024. The objective was to establish the legitimacy of the claims, identify irregularities, and address the fiscal risk arising from the accumulation of these arrests and outstanding commitment. Mr. Speaker, the exercise has now been completed and the Auditor General is finalizing his report for submission to Parliament. But Mr. Speaker, the findings are troubling and very damning. Very damning. Mr. Speaker, out of the 68.8 billion, and Mr. Speaker, I'll give headline numbers whilst we wait for the Auditor General to submit the report next week. Mr. Speaker, out of the 68.8 billion payable submitted for audit, 47.8 billion cedis was validated. Mr. Speaker, an additional 8.6 billion Ghana cedis remains under review, pending further validation due to inadequate documentation, missing third-party confirmation, and lack of supporting documents.
When you na Ghana sika no sane na wambeto no ene sane na sika no ye eho akwa atwe ene sane wamubu nkonta ne nyina wie ye no wamu se ebi ayira afa baabi eno ho akonta ena na wobu no na wokọ na nim no wode kakra fa ho wangumasu ha sa abre no na woni mnyamfo ha na adriso te won tu obo ne din kura ka kye no se papa sika me de ma wonie wakan ya de kosi free senior high school double track say ye betwam ene na sefo eno na odi ye ntie ne wakan ne nwie ye wi a ne aganafo bi ka no ye de beto aso.
Mr. Speaker, we have also allocated 33.3 billion Ghana cedis to the Ministry of Education for its program and activities in 2026. Again, Mr. Speaker, aside the amount allocated to the Ministry of Education, we have also allocated 9.9 billion Ghana cedis to the Ghana Education Trust Fund. Mr. Speaker, we have provisioned an amount of 4.2 billion Ghana cedis for the free secondary education program. Mr. Speaker, to end the double track, we have allocated 1.1 billion Ghana cedis for the infrastructure programs I mentioned earlier. Mr. Speaker, again, we have allocated an amount of 537 million Ghana cedis for the no-fees stress policy. Mr. Speaker, that's not all. We have allocated 25 million Ghana cedis for free tertiary education for persons living with disabilities. Mr. Speaker, we have allocated 3 billion Ghana cedis to be able to procure 4 sets of textbooks for KG books and workbooks for about 200,000 learners, 4 sets of primary textbooks for 2 million learners, 9 sets of JHS 3 textbooks for 500 million learners, and procurement of over 2 million pieces of metal monodecks and chairs, 200 units of 66-seater buses, and 200 double cabin pickups for the distribution to the secondary schools across the country. Right, Honorable Speaker, we have also allocated 2 billion Ghana cedis for the construction of 200 new junior high schools, 200 new primary schools, 200 kindergartens, 400 KG 4-unit teacher bungalows, and 400 places of convenience in underserved communities. Mr. Speaker, to improve learning outcomes, we have allocated 157 million Ghana cedis for capitation grant. Right, Honorable Speaker, we have allocated 1.98 billion Ghana cedis for school feeding program. We have allocated 292 million for free sanitary pads for girls. Mr. Speaker, we have also allocated 207 million for the teacher training allowance and 169 million Ghana cedis for BEC registration.
We near cross war and woman no and no na se akra will be sandy amamo haina na made abrem was ba ku bia no no ojaya wo keka kan she mu asa areas no wam say this month dey say ya untia control entua wam so my validation awie so kra de no control entua nti won busa say na sika no wo he sika no e wo he na onso waka ya ne kwan mbefa so mbe end double track ne ade eno na neyi so afo so mo say here another 1 year ansa na mo dey end double track no enti na ansam no asem krofo obusebusa ho nkoma na awrokwacha nso waka kakra fa ho sei.
Mr. Speaker, we have allocated an amount of 2.2 billion Ghana cedis to the Ministry of Food and Agriculture. Right, Honorable Speaker, of this amount, we have allocated 245 million Ghana cedis for the Nkokon Katsenketse and Livestock Program. Mr. Speaker, we have allocated another 200 million Ghana cedis to the National Food Buffer Stocks Company to purchase excess food storage. Mr. Speaker, we have allocated an amount of 6.9 billion Ghana cedis, equivalent of 500 million, for the National Policy on Integrated Oil Palm Program between 2026 and 2032. Right, Honorable Speaker, to facilitate transportation of farm produce to market and reduce food inflation, we have allocated 828 million Ghana cedis for the construction of 1,000-kilometer agriculture enclave road for 2026. Mr. Speaker, we have also allocated 690 million to commence the operationalization of the Farmers Service Center.
Agriculture no so kan go kwankete anu nti go kwankete no e ho nkomo ba bi epie budget no mu no e no waka no na enom e na wasan ka kakra fa apomden ho apomden nsem so afie yi sane na wo baba apomden nsem ho bra ene ayi nursing training allowance eno wo kan ho asem kakra eno so kra no gas ni su akire ho wo mo frefre me pa se memra ho na asem wo ho pa eno achi wo mo san de bi ka ho hospital so mbesi na ba bi okan ya Ghana fo bebre busa se na eno de ase wo mo wura fia na so wo ka so wo mo twesika to ho a anka afie we sei anka agenda 111 no ombe wie mako 10 na 10 no ba akokra ye nko ho e ho asem akosisen.
Mr. Speaker, we have programmed an amount of 9 billion Ghana cedis in 2026 for national health insurance claim, essential medicine, bridging support, and free medical health care. Mr. Speaker, We have also allocated 2.3 billion Ghana cedis for the Ghana Medical Trust Fund, the Mahama Cares, to support Ghanaians battling chronic diseases such as cancer, hypertension, diabetes, stroke, and kidney diseases. Right, Honorable Speaker, we have allocated 474 million Ghana cedis for nursing training allowances. We have also allocated 600 million to construct 3 new regional hospitals. Again, Mr. Speaker, we have allocated 79 million to upgrade 7 hospitals and provide enhanced maternal and child health services. Mr. Speaker, that is not all. We have allocated 100 million Ghana cedis to complete 10 Agenda 111 hospitals.
We are on health. Also, a Agenda 111 hospital. Afe ni ayadi wie nsam ne akase ye bobo so a ebebo bebre nsam de oka bebre na yenhwe se ne okafa 24-hour economy ne ho.
Mr. Speaker, I now take you to resource allocation, where the resources are going. Mr. Speaker, as we enter 2026, we move from stabilization to acceleration. That improves daily lives. Mr. Speaker, including the provision of better roads, schools and hospitals, reliable power, jobs, and targeted support for the vulnerable. Right, Honorable Speaker, what follows are the headline allocation that will drive delivery in 2026 and set the pace for medium term. Mr. Speaker, to unlock round-the-clock productivity, export and decent jobs under the 24-hour economy, we have provided an allocation of 110 million Ghana cedis in 2026 for the implementation of the 24-hour economy program. Mr. Speaker, the 24-hour economy program will be leveraging with GIF and DBG and provide private capital to keep financing largely of the sovereign balance sheet.
We and your car 24-hour economy home. Amwam ye ho budget ni ade nyina akoye na so om de ye 24-hour economy market no ana eno ye questions amanfo busa na we no eye afrase ensam wode to dwa ne bie ni nti ye nkwa ahoma no so na ye ne national and international reporter na no ponche cheku honorable MP for Sompa constituency ye ne nkobon komo ne emusa se ba bia wo mrahye badwam ho no e ho tesen wo mo de flowers na bebo ho ana kente no mo asesa no ana wo mo de carpet foforo na aba ena MPs no wama ya madwen so ambeba ana wane ma international madwe
me do so brempong
minim sa wo ye me so me wo ye pa na mra se badwam tesan nana
obi o timenka
ai me te nka me se me jimi di pa sa wo ye sa ne me ho ye no a sa ne ka ne ya tro pampa no a ni atro ne sa me jimi di sa wo ye sa ne me so me ho ye no a na mra se badwam se ho tesan
me da se make a said ye and na shebe de fie be ye don hwere baako ko eye eni ena ye di dwumadi a ene e wo prosu na ye de ba wie a ye tu apo sa na ye be ka no na ye de ye dwumadi ni nyina akwa hye nyame ya doma ochena kremto bre ena ye be kwakọ ase na eye no kre ochena nyame ya doma so apo no ano hwe ye sika sem so era kettle atofo simba be pie mo mamre shebe de fie na wode eye oman yen akoma sika na ya afofo de e ba besimu wode ho ebra e de aba beto na hyebegesi animu na pe omahye abobo ho na nyame ya aduma afofo e ba besimu no ene omatimi de ade wo mudwuma no kura ni nyame enum nye obrempon odi kan bi sai se ya sesa ho no carpet ni ni se ne wo tie ni sa ena etie we nu enye the state of nations address eya mampani eba de kimo mama hyebegesi na
na we ya huro dasem eno na ye ne Frank Davis ya ono nso eye mranim ni ede ema kenoforiata ene ne bonko no ochezo we eno a wo ho a wote se OSP ede nkrata aba ya wochezo still kra no ye fugitive of law dia ben wo mra ne mo no kwadu no wose na ye ne twe wose onim bibi ya wo de su onim hwe kra no wonsu atone general won hwe no wonsu ano se ne hwe Kristo su ano no anya sa won kan hunu se extradition process na kra no ye nka nwie eno abegina beka so bi ye fugitive Frank Davis kire nsem sei
You see, it's pedestrian, very, very pedestrian, coming from a train lot. But he informed that the officer that I'm saying again that till date they have not been able to notify Ken of his charges. He should do that first, and then the ancillary step of Ken coming to Ghana will follow. But he should bear in mind, if he's not aware, he should bear in mind. He should learn from his principal's office of attorney. He should bear in mind that there's an extradition request pending. Tell the officer of assistant prosecutor that in all of this, there's an extradition request pending. First things first, he should notify Kenneth Oforiatta of his criminal charges leveled against him. A man can only answer to charges filed against him. He cannot answer anything he has no knowledge of. So he should first take that first step of notifying him. And then when he has done that, he should also think about the extradition request.
And to no, when they can notify Kenneth Oforiatta, the charges are also they bono. And Sakura no about the extradition process and San no become fugitive as him. Where Frank Davis, Nefutua, or Dema special prosecutor, Kisia Jabene office no. Say, woman in your moya, woman have been no munsia.
Na ye raba jefie ho ye rakwajo apon kroma ukọ wo my Ghana mra hye badwafie wom so wo donkuma mu de nanso committee na wonom hye economy and FA development so no wo ka ho o ranking member was it 24-hour economy no said ye abanya wote akonwa so ansa na wo baba akonwa so wo si bo ho dewura kire se wo ba ma ya adwuma da ye mre ho na ye besan so akyeche adwuma num ama ya kwa obese me kwa wia we se me kwa nopa we se me kwa homache ye be keka kan sa ade no wo no de anhwemu a wo ma ye ne se dada no na wo mo sanforo ho esan se filling station wo mo ye adwuma ma ade esa sa na wo kokko mate ahodoi ene emu paabo wo mo nyina ye adwuma ma ade esa aya sabia anajo ode ya afọ kwa wo mbehwe no nti dada no a foforo bia ma mmeka ho sente sade a ene wo mo boso na sade wo mo si chese 1.7 million jobs no watu na ni wo Ghana ha ya to ahwe ne mpasua so ofo asa yirebi wonya hunnwuma ko a eye sa 1.7 million no ende sade ene wo mo nya daje emfa bega fo ntwa wo ma no no wo mo nkyere se adwuma no ebi wa ha we ye de abeka ho we ye de abeka ho ne nsem ni.
The 24-hour economy promised about 1.7 million jobs. Its direct 2026 allocation is 110 million Ghana cedis. They now claim that they've created about 160,000 jobs and signed some MOUs, but they are not operating projects. And the totals lean on multipliers of 1 to 4. And if you look at the detail of the 160,000 jobs that they are claiming out of a number of filling stations that they say are operating 24 hours, it's laughable. You all know that filling stations were operating in this country before the NDC came to power. So to claim that about 300 or so filling stations are operating 24 hours as evidence of a functioning 24-hour economy program and 160,000 jobs announced out of it is laughable.
Honorable Kojo Pankroma your first year bimra shebedwani na ura badwafie ho a we ranking member the man economy and development committee no woda so eno no wode sanse me to dwa upon the man
ye kan nyina na yesikasam no na teacher for no mpo ka se wo mo kra mo ariasi ye ntuaye ena kantanka kra atoma na me ka kire me se nya teacher for nko a ne mom DC ni MPs ni nyina kra na band wenka na we aye kan osofo a ono na wo hwe Ghana nsase ene fuma gudi ensam so ayo no nyamfo Emmanuel ama Kofibu a wode atodwa kire se efua Sutherland Park no a e won kra ha ya no yenka mawiase nyina so nte se enya nkura dia wo bi gina baabi ka se hoye ne dia se bia empo bia wakohia ga ebi na wo ya aboga no no a kire nso unim efua Sutherland Park se me ye frame Sutherland na me nana ene efua Sutherland na wo de ho ma me se me dwapade enti oba ma hia ne bia na me mfa ho nche no o se me ye nche no e ya ban dwapade Emmanuel Amakofibu a
Commission indicates that the site covering approximately 63 acres situated in Accra is covered by a certificate of allocation dated 13 November 1959 to the Permanent Secretary of the Ministry of Works and Housing, Horticultural Division, as sites for public parks and children playground. Therefore, the land belongs to the state. Thank you.
No. Oh, asempa we etia. Therefore, the land belongs to the state. And your mind dia, enti mo bie nyina ba bi nka se for Sutherland Park. E ya nkran dia. We ayo ni munyamfo Emmanuel ama Kofibu a wono na hwe Ghana nsase nyina ene fuma gudi odman komade achen no wode ohweso ene wode nsem wetu dwa na no pon chiteku e fa de bere yen
ene opon chiteku kro na international national reporter chese wo ye adwuma no tese mfnama wo boba bia na soafo abedi akira womai apapa mamonkron kuma mpuntuo na ama hemfo ene wosom adwumadie woda no de wote yewra Ahmed Ibrahim netoa eyo obasema honorable Rita Odolosowa na wono na de nsem bi atodwa bra womo ne na ama hemfo registrars ahodo no kokodi ahia na womo strengthen womo capacity sada be na womo dwumadie no nso emu be pie ena saa nsemi obi eso ede kire wopon botayentia wono mo yes a capacity building no
administrative side and traditional side. Administrative side, say by your mom, human resource. Our money, the one your friend is judicial committee.
And Honorable Rita Odoleso wa wie na and a head of civil service, Dr. Evans Agridakon. One also as upon Kwansa. Would a Jew enough for some pafo, say addition in tea. Ministry of Local Government Chieftaincy and Religious Affairs. One more dinner capacity building workshop. Edema registrars. Nanoma have one more registrars, no, and no, and I say, upon Chikudi, more manable. A buy.
Young qua sentimental. Now, Bawa Bedu, and I to cray at the free. A friend to Brosso, a qua confrey. Sir, a quino, bridge bishop finfin. Now, send your bridge in a pan, now pratatia pansamno, then yasim kuma. Na no na womo de ma contract ja contract ba ho wo be hwe ye ewurade we de da ben na kira wo de ne kakran saa we say da offense oni hu e da offense so en wo mo ye ne kakra saa bre ya ye ka se o de hwe no mbusu wo mo chechire bie no say 70% complete ya ka 30% pe na wo mo awie eno na DC e de ma atwemampo no mansini no e ye onumyamfo Ibrahim Ishaq one nsantwafo abon komo na we what if Abawa Bedu so and what you say nani agye o
bridge who ye bridge wo atwomampo no fa ko efe no ntobroso ne akonfre ntobroso ne akonfre ye kura kese e wa atwomampo no na omontam ne yere ba bi efe no bo fe science ensu to ne yiri a na ne twa ye na e basa e de nkwa hwere ne ensemble leba ti kura twa ho hia no e ye se ka assembly no embra ommoa na te si ne petukuru no atoso na de bia obeti se ensu ne do bi ko nipa bi no nyino ana mensa mashuro monko o area ho ti asa e ba sa no assembly no di assembly to assembly engineer for no so mo assessment yere se ka bi no so yi na assembly na kasa ntimi ti se ni be hwe se bi na private company bi wo boya o mo ya djuma atwomampo no ti ni company kasa e fe no de ni nyame ntimi nye company na mo ye se amandoromo o metuma boya bridge na mai ti o mo na bridge o mo ye di assembly ni ye se ye bo mo technical support and advice and guidance and resource to ye bridge ni de o mo na approve o books ma Omananya bridge ni we but almost close to 2 million Ghana cedis omuso ye.
We odemnyamfo Ibrahim Ishaq wodon na ye DC e watwemampo no na we ye no e na contractor ne awada de na nyame ntumi nya company limited ano wo mo na ye kwan no contractor so de kakra to so sei
Musika de kan say adwuma de enam ya director so na me ya be adwuma e mo ano person de buan na no e no invite say me ya adwuma so far you start na the challenges be e de yan some na de be obo no modern bia say be pejare we be so de ama ja bridge no say yes first one the third one you lose why e course third one man say ya baba ya flow na up to the flow no to so because of sadin to ma ya ne say you see na wa no so say yan to me an take level I be to me akosora e bia no chile be na so na be abe fa so ntina ma ya ne say
way now. That's the thickness I did. That's the wall thickness on 8.6 thickness. That's the wall thickness on 8.6. And at the higher thickness on the airport, 8 meters high, 8 meters in the airport. You be really be beyond anyway now for almost about 10 meters. And at the higher thickness, you 11 meters high and same and length, 11 meter length. And that's the channel you might have had. Now the tire in business were down, the concrete were down. So they are NSYNC, the concrete were down in business. Your man is like your man guy.
Where then I mean to be your contract and what I don't know. Whenever we're buried in a bomb, come away. And oh, sir, acquire or mocking in Tobroso Quain. And what our far Bontomroso, far the Beura Fatchas, and one walk was in Tobroso. Now, Fay, who free Tobroso, but now would tear from the aqua confre. Now I will call and think I want to a short and simple way. And I bridge into man for intimate. 1 way 70% ya kakrakra wa mo ko mani ba wa bedu adawroma wa manfo ho so kire o ma dwen chese wo mani asopa
ende ye se won wotumi ye be ma akobadie no nso ayefo papa na wono ma de kai konso no wo mfa so wo manya ba ne sa no wo mu hira mbe hira ba no na bia ka Ghana obonjeche kukuro na bobo ano ne yegina e wo badwafie na we de National Identification Authority ne afo na wo mo aka wo mo hu wo mo so hunim se sesi Uganda card na ekura no so because transaction na wo ye no fa Ghana card no ma me na menhwe se ye wa na wo hwe ni din no mpo wo sande ma wa emre timi chi no ana se wo gi ye na se twa no photocopy na me de abie wa account na ma eno kura emra etimi chi no na de wo ka sa asem ye twetwa so ne yewura wisdom kwakudeku wo no ena ye executive secretary Edema National Identification Authority ana wonya adaje ese sanse me kiro ponchijeku se so mpaka se ne de ye hu se amanfo afa ne se mojadura wo mudi na buwie ene nti sanse mi momfa nkoma Ghana fo
Asama honorable minister honorable Muntaka in charge of interior I can nyina say emrana aba into force no e say fiti eneko Ghana card obi a ode Ghana card be papoye dwumedie bia no eni kwan say institution no e ka say ojo Ghana card no aye copy e dia to ana say wa hwe Ghana card ni so ahwe wanim aka say ampa ona Ghana card ni ye odia entiko my transaction amount say so yes sad ni na law no say so yes had we are 5,000 to 10,000 penalty unit aban no rate we edi aya this annual money for a bit we do akoko afine you ti nyina no say 15 airport ye nye photocopy of your Ghana card ana ye hwe Ghana card ni so enhwe wanim enka say ampa eye warranty for bia e wase ye bia e wase ye gi o biometric na ka say biometric na you dey use either say wanim ana say o fingerprint because on the unique feature new regulation in addressing for especially when Minister of Communication started with the new SIM card registration because new SIM card registration the better say
ora wisdom kwakude ku na akasa no enti se nipa no wo Ghana card no nko national identification card ni bia onya de na nsa to ade ne so ani nanim na yi ato computer no so apamni wono a enti nya fe na aba beje ne card na se obetwa photocopy ansa uni wo yesa etiamra eno na waboso opon e de amaye no
na yen free Ghana card no ho na ye den ya won be kwa DVL develop for no ho na won kwa akwaje license say Ghana process say won be chi obi a wo twi tricycle na say moto afidie tetanfo ebi ya ode nam Ghana kwan so public transport or na public road ne license ekita no say nye license category A pa dia wudi twi abobo ya akra na ye chewa ene ye no nko adanto asenema na we no say enhyehyɛ bi a wɔn ayɛ so betimi aboa pa ama compliance ayɛ adwuma na license requirement a ehia sɛ obetimi dey commercial motor and tricycle operations wɔ Ghana ha no etimi akoyie pa na director of corporate affairs ɛwɔ DVL hɔ Stephen Atu wɔn na wɔn so mpaka se ɛbɔ nkɔmɔ a wo bi esa secret we ɛde akyerɛ yɛn no.
The licenses we issue at DVL comes in categories. So for anybody who drives a salon vehicle, so they comes usually in cubic capacities. You need a license B. But for those who drive all categories of motorbikes, they require a license category A. So that is the license category that is issued to anyone who rides a bike, rides a boboya, pragia. It's a license category A. As part of our exercise, for anyone who is picking up a vehicle or a driver's license, they go through training with authority and then they take an exam, and then when you pass, the license is issued to you. We all agree that people are using all sorts of means, some in the past and all of that. But what we are trying to do is to ensure came into the public, where we seek to distinguish between those who use licenses to operate.
Stephen Atu. One SOMPA kasa yebo nkomo na ya bro fokasa assembly tia wa twam wan say uchi abobo ya uchi moto afidie tetafo na license wo de ka chem so ni license na nke be chew na abehu ni okita license kra senya license e ya ye ma ne ntwi na wo ni bi wo de ya chewa won be hwewa kra san wo de wakokoto wahu na sa bro fokasa nyina no wani AGYA APPIAH APAM DADAA na we sai
enti we no say wo de receipt obade no na etwi moto a hweye ana light bay ena adi twi aka ho koye license abusua ma yenwura santimamu na ba bedu de odi fira timatima aba odi kuro ho ni abre pa na wo pa che so we de ma me Patricia Perankra wono ena ehwe mpotemu ho so wo be srada sese a mama kese na ba no de won kura wo be se kapre kura no wo yare obetumi akwa no ho nanso wo bia wo mo de saa ayarehwe ma eno wo che se mpotemo te se timatim dom na akere so ama health center na wo mo etwa enti ebe yanka maame wo mo na enuru polyclinic se de be betumi asoma de hye ho na mama kese nso afa ho asom timamufo no wo manya apomudempa wone ba bedu ene di sa nkomo yi
ìwé ọmọdé àti àmójútó sílẹ̀ fáyọ̀ sẹ́ ẹ̀tùmẹ̀tùm bẹ̀bí àyè sẹ́kọ̀tà ìwé yẹ̀kọ́ ẹ̀mí ní yìí ta àhàtù kéde tí a fẹ́ǹsì bẹ́ẹ̀ ká ìtìlì ìgbẹ̀kọ́ sí àhà ètùmí kọ̀ polyclinic ẹ̀mà ẹ̀mí à ìdí ẹ̀mí bẹ́jẹ̀ hù sáàmì ẹ̀wọ̀ capacity ní sẹ́yìn tìǹà bọ̀ ayọ̀ amánàkọ̀ ìjọba sílẹ̀ ìyá polyclinic yìí àti ìsìlẹ̀ ìgbìyànjú dọ́kítà abẹ́ká kí èlùbù náà bí ẹ̀ńtọ́ fọ́ mọ́ hánà ọ̀múyẹ̀ ìgbìmọ̀ náà lẹ́tọ̀ọ́ wà á ọdún kan ní ìgbà tí ó ní ẹ̀rọ ẹ̀sẹ̀ ọ̀mìnira àmọ́ bá tí ẹ̀ ọmọ mi ẹ̀yẹ ìbò patient bá ọdún kọ́ constant patient bá ọdún kọ́ trinity ọdún bí clinic no ẹ̀hún ọdúnmá máyẹ̀ no ẹ̀mà ní bẹ̀rẹ̀ pass director náà kọ́ cancer níbi ní àkúṣù pàà màtẹ̀fẹ̀ nínú èyí ẹ̀dúnmá ẹ̀rọ wà hàn ní èyí nínú ìgbìmọ̀ ẹ̀mú ìfẹ́ ẹ̀mẹ́ ẹ̀dàtí gùsù à ẹ̀kọ́ sọ ẹ̀mú à ẹ̀mà yẹn lọ́jọ́ sí ẹ̀mẹ́ ní director ẹ̀mà yẹn fẹ́ ní EP bẹ̀rẹ̀ ìgbà ha yẹ ìfẹ́ health center èdè ìfẹ́ ọmọ AGYA fún ọmọ ní manager
nana ko vi pon otoso me yansa won na ye dikro ede ma de hia won wo timatim na ode wo ma konsem fa pomuden ho eto ba abedu anim se sompa de oka aha na mampani tie wonti no wontu ho na momma wo
ene ye free atimatim na ye free ne nchemu ahafo ano south east na ho ye kwa ne ye kwa apnapon so na wahen poporo wo eye na kofi na na ose kofi ena wode to ebenezo usu ansan nim na we sabre no kra no na ahafo ano Premier Community Bank no wo na no mo aye ensuo bi wo apnapon so ana wo mu bia no ena wo mo to nsa frɛ nana ena wo se o we de nke ye nsuo na nsu sabe wo befa ekwan so ena wo akwa akwabu nsuo no ekwan a wo mo nam so e wo ho no sabe ya kwanfon pa wo ka kira ban se na no budget ya already e kura no na ni wura fi until say sompafo mpo kan se wo mbebo saa ene no amu a kire sika wo mo twato wa wo mo de ya kwan 2026 ne ho nka ho nanso wo ka kira ban se ne ho nka ho a won fa ne de ne nhyem na wo mo so kan Ghana ho
aye pa de do kwasem de kwan nyɛ so bi kura sa wo ka obi ne se nurse fuo yi se wo man tuni a wo ba kire dina kokura no moto so no oda ka bia ni wo kwan nyina tutu de kwan nyina tutu light yi so kan ye ni ha ama teacher fuo kura so mbe boy mai woni wo ba na ni ka ha wo ba ya no dimirika no kwasa bronum wo se hona doctor mu hokura make say da wo yare free no nsia kwa na ye hwew mi se kan ye ni ha kan ye de be hwe wo bi ni ha di free no nsia kwa na ye hwew e ba se ye ni light sa de manti ama adwumayefo abadwumayefo e wo hanto wo mo so ani nye tie betre kure mu so assembly ne se ni nyina wo mo nya hu bibi ma yen enam se light ni niema antupa na ni hanji atichafo he class free class 1 ekopem class 6 bi atichafo mi ensa na wo ma fra suku nyina wo ma ho odi ntumi yakura ni etu atichafo ni bi ka yafa wo magumu this is assembly wo mo hwe wo mo mo ye ni
this assembly ne moa na wo mo ntimi nya na kama na bibi anya fine we na na ose kofi ya wono na ye ohempopro wo apnapon so na wakasa wie ye no na ose medical ka say afa no Premier Community wo mko ye nsuo na pani a on na managing director eda wo ano no ye Renes Dankwa wono to kire say as part of wo nyuma wo mo ye e de am manfo no ene nti wo mko ye say adwuma
ebetu mone ne colleague staff yeda onyankopon ase ebi odi abedrui ne de odi adom ye ne da mpanifo nyina so ase se da otai echi odwuma hodo a yedi e district no emu titire ni isu a yebetu ye honorable nya yechi ebi a yebe frɛ ne bia one yen ene no nananum so sa zedi kan ba ha ne ekɔ yechi ombe so ha esan kɔ ye mpanifo ene se de ba ye hu isu no kra no yakɔno na ye ni so nso modi ha nipa na ye yiware hyemu se saa na modi beye insuo no na ebedi mfie beye enum ni ekɔ echi kra na ye ba betwam ha be se insuo no yeda so nya eso
ensuo no eda so gina so yerenes dan kwa no na ne nyina mu no onse wo kan say DC wonya yemu DC wonya yemu wo mo kwa pa ho ntoma nyina DC ta ya kire wone wo mo na ekɔ bakɔ eno nti DC onyamfo Sadiq Abubakar no wono so ka ho bia wono so nya abotre pa eche na ni so won sami ho
the bar office that was last year and this year nkwa asensio be 6 and on the amount for Southwest ye call you also eco commission bi na man transon so omdi bia be ikachifo nti ye be don ase because aban ayebi but say no mo esibu ano aban the bar office that was last year so free ye man sinimu ha dwumadi ne kase na haya na e wonti no ama omo so ye bibi e de boa community no say because other let's say organizations institutions so e visa boa we sure say kasame kampu dwuma no ekosoro because abai ya tunsio be last year de bay that sa asserting crew na e ba be tunsio e de amom
we oromnyamfo Abubakar Sadiq no na wo ye DC e wo hafo no South East na amaneboy yamanebo ni Ebenezer Owusu ansa na de besom ye
abusua ma yenwura sono amanyoku no wono mabobo ano na Asantema mu ne yewura chairperson ya wono eda Ashanti Regional NPP Election Committee nano Uraire Rita Talata asoba yire na wakasa chese candidates makumba ko dia sanum na wo munya adaje efa forms sampa wo mo san won hwene so wo mo ebe so osunu dua no mu akokeka koso na so e de adoma himu se 2028 adaje Mamudu Baumia wote sono no konso no obeba bedi nkunim atena Ghana konwa so na wode so na adwempo ne nhyehyɛ na aba bɛyɛ adwuma na saafo na ɛfa forms no nyina obi aho so nsabrobe a wɔn betumi a contest here ma mensem ni
there were 35 aspirants obi a pass to yama o so bi an konkoye ni campaign na on the 15th of August they were to Abano stadium so bi a funny number obi a on the ballot number ya ye bi a da ne kwen konkoye campaign ye campaign of insults ye nyina internal elections ni eko now can wasem no wuti ne ba ne etumawa fine
fia kwanya ne fia kwanya to ade hye ne bia prebi ne se honte wo mama wo kasa ene wo monto abono ehonte ewieye no owura kwaku apia dodo na abono mra ne se chairman koka wono so afa forms se wono ena Asante Mantan no sonofo no mfa titina kwanya no ma no wo kasa bi Chamode no kwaku apia no ye bana mra ne se chairman koka wono na sesei wo se sono mba na wa Asantema mu no ensi ne hene se Asante Mantan no wo sono amanyoko titire ni na ote so wo kasa yi na anso ho de ono nso wakasa wo kɔ akɔfa kyerɛkyerɛ akonnwa no de asoa ɛyɛ lawyer Kingsley Bonsuchirichie deputy secretary position no wono na ɛkorɔ no nso ne die ni a wɔde to ba bedu anim
party and was church the way secretary
MPP for no na emrafo enti lawyer Kensley bonsu chirichie no one na say Ashanti region deputy secretary position no wafa forms a what say one ba bedu e boss ankomo
na no ye ho na ehu se Musa Dankwa wasan ye foforo de aba kire se mrase bedwam wono mo homoden ba akokora no wade wo mudi amba no abobo ya nkoko MPC ni dimbe pie mu ya na manfo abusa se sesen ai Joseph Rempong oh ado mu huna na no kambrofo mrase bedwam yini makoma nyina wanhu ena wo wie no akobbo nhia so mrase bedwani ya your friend say Dr. Stephen Amwa sticker wo kobbo ni di ena sticker tia sene ya mango data kan no say tia hwan no hwan banie o se na hwan banie ena wo keka nsam Musa Dankwa won wo de o ma kire ekwan ofa so a wo ye sa ni post no sa aloniama no nam ho ye no a wo se me homoden no won famra na me hwe
Ninia amebu no edo obu okese ma no na me gina adwuma na oye no ada nkyere se adwuma oye ni nyina esoda babish me pese osa ba bie fi se yese wa hwehwe MPC bi enyuma omo ye ama odi bi agina ba bi so ma anya ade omo nya ye India constituencies odi nhia so ka ho enya no kra da minim ha oye no research efi se scholarship e dey buan for local constituency mu no awradi we ni me ma ye bu apem ni akire se mi nsuo kra no mtinya data ni ya be apem ene ahena kan say se me nya tables and chairs and grand king yeru ahena ma to new total high as a board the fight insecurity communities. I think say in Shia, so if it's not the only constituency among the few constituencies, I said that your official research. I make my send them, you are send them a movie. You want and crowded a be a percentage by the research sample. I almost share you away, almost school, only remaining our shares. So my attitude, woman, son, you might about him saying, you see a cake, you see solid BSTV, you see a bag, you have the Thomas Anyaman. What they are not at one chair, food wages, in fact, and sorry, I would do 100 bags of cement, 100 million, all Ghana cedis, 200 bucks on cement, and the go and check. Even now, I'm collaborating with the mosque to build Macarantas. What they are not doing in China, the core functions of empire. No, I'm with media dance. I believe in myself. Sir, you cannot pick 5 people who are.
What? Now, no cry say. Somewhere as one baby see a Ghana Chinese movie, one by a Ghana Chinese movie. I don't cry, here. However, I see what you mean. Nina and Quebec, so I ban a society. Near my way away in Ujin and China, 1 year. Who born dog? Now what we know? And was so. Oh dear, was a challenging Musa Dankwa. So one of the was a Bema pa. 1 funny ratings, remember? Now
I am very demotivated. And say I'm going to say I'm more. Can me, Oma judge me either the best user or one of the best users in terms of a common fund. The other council. Who comes and was said, okay, Kumasi can meet you. It came, you know, a dead blind. My young never be brave on the constituency. In fact, MP before come home, mammy, near me the Sikato banker, Fidelity, Oma home committee, Yaria, Sabio, and so Koji 500 or to a grow and I love near me Sika. Sabio, Minister, Anya, Yamwa, Esibisa. With another was and that's why anybody. But I think say last year of election, deputy minister, and I'm and I'm there near I work hard and sweat and use my money. My certain committees will manage the common fund. This will be a scholarship programming committees. With the youth and development committee, with the sanitation and the environment committee, with the health committee, with the education. I said that a bit of money. It is Slamo because I make a but at the end of Musa Dankwa say, why you know, I say expectations of the constituency within currency stabilization, look at this. Then the other AMPs. Perfect. Because the may be I must share with you. I said, Yenny, who year you are politics. Yenny, I am poor, may you have West. The winning dear Papa be a poor man. They be a normal bring it down.
The beer no more bring it down. You are queer, one person about him. Just a cow, PhD for pull him down. No more pulling Crawford down, sir. Where in she has some recipe journey on a boss taker, 7 and 1 no. And what is 72 jar? No point to cook. May I say your few hand for a press conference, corridor no more one. And upon fire or the buyer.
And I was a young confinment temo. Crata if it's in Yamayukua were not at Yabamono. Nabobo are never. A match for penny. You were 50 if you have acquitted in San Assassin. Now, one much I say. Chairman Stephen for surgery, yes, suspendino. Was swimming Makunum. Out to Senya East. Constituency chairman, Edma and this Yamanyukuno. Now, when you know. One more say, Crata, one more children near a bar mountain, so say young king kind. na chiniyama ni nyina wonma won finfini mantamu ani baabia nte no wonmo hu se chairman fosu ajare sesei bosu mi num edi ani mu de party no mu dwumadie bia no wonfa nto hansa mo wonfa ne nsa nko ho empo se o mu wie kura mamo nya se chairman hwe mu me ya hwe se ya da bi mamo wonye bibia de ntia wo mo kan we nyina suspension ba bi efiri ni krata wo mo sunsuane ye na yewura fififi afakote esane mu no Council Executive Committee no ya wo chiniyama nyokum wo mo se wo mo ko meeting enu da ya 21st ana wo mo se yewura fosu ajari one member of parliament ma me Felix na akoyo okuno asa wo mo tiado anwoma so petition bi kura da ho ya wa file against papa no na eno na wuye no nso to nkyɛn a wo mo ne party for no kura wo ho no san di nkomo de wo mo bo wo mo bi papa wo mo a ene chairman NTA ni sade wo si popo na ni kyerɛ bi mo na empene sɛ wo mo hwehwɛ mu ano na wo mo se da bi sade wo si yo no article 48 clause 4 ye NDC amanyoko na mamra no watia eno achi watia ne sanka ono nkompo ankan ha adwene wasa kotia article 48 clause 6 nso wode benkumatia de ni fatia ha ne sa hunti na edi adanse se wo mo twene sensen sabira manugusue no wo mo se bosumi num ye edi enimi no ma won ko party ni bibia ho eno nje se wo mo yine di afri party num ne mom ne dwumadi anka obedi se titinani no eno ene wo mo atwen edi asensen a ɛho krata wo mo de abante ne sankana mototo na munemu se awutu senya east ɛho no de wo ye chairman de ma NDC chairman fosu ajare bosumi num de wo suspension
na chese wo de bedi bronya sane papa no ba nyom sa afi na ya starting so ya de bedi bronya yi wo me ye de ya wo bedi bronya wie na sa frase ene wo mbefre no abusia medimafo ba santa edima ye ni o ena josot kenki ebo ye chidom wo ma da romanti cheyensi mape ye basisi a
Midimafo pokwase Maira Accra pokwase Maira Accra
Midimafo heba clinic aba Accra
ani wontie passengers egumi kai mu e ho na dodo na ekro
ene sa Accra ne potem yedemo
ani yedemo ampa de se de edutwam Atlantic International University America memu abo Dr. Adujamfi Babaso honorary degree as a professor in biology in herbal medicine it is said here ayaresa no aye more
me se minim wife ye kopa wo wanye ye 1 cedi nyinse ne betom anza na ye TSK no me se me connection na ensheda nkoye na esakakra se wa page mu ama hode ambam
connection ne mu de we
obo we ba de kro wa ba de kro ye ke stroke nso de wo fa no small chese agidi wa wu ani de asie no yare bia etatia e wa Dr. Tamda so andi so diabetes hepatitis B prostate hypertension malaria yare bia kuma sei
owo agogo opposite government school no
ena nkra hanso obepiem e wo pokuase mayira kwan no so free doctor 0244774282
and 0500-727215
Midimafo Herbal Clinic
Wudimafo ne hwa
SOMPA TV Emma Aketiapa
eye no kure Emma Aketiapa e den sem ne kowie e wa amono ne me wafa aka ne ho America o me wafa se wa hunu no wa hwe ne ma bi Donald Trump asem na American ono ne din no your friend Donald John Kwaku Trump o se wa hunu se Iran fo no wo mo emma je se wo mo enkoda adwene pa ya de dwene wo mo ne bi nyame na America me wafa asem no no me ka na asem na amane keke o se na no kra so obeka so am yare ono ne ayare fo antrance nya negotiations entu am no wo nyina yare du ba bi kwa de so mabobɔ dam na waka no nsɛm na de kosi sɛ na no wo ba hwɛ sɛ wo mo no mo anya na wo mo to yam wo mo emema wo mo ntu bi ma yam wo America ne wo mo so de ya no mo de nam Jordan Kuwait Qatar ene Iraq ho no wo mo de nam a afei wo ba hwɛ na straight ne so ho musu mu ho no ɛna wo mo toto egu nkrofo ship so ɛna wo mo hye nkrofo ship ɛwɔ po so ɛna waka so am so wo mo anyae a ship ba ko bi a wo mba tutuo keke ama abba ba ko kra akɔbɔ anko no so keke kra no wo mbebu wo bridge ba ko atu agu wo mo bridge a titiri pa na ne ɛwɔ capital terrain ɛwɔ te sɛ nkankran ha Ghana ha nkakra ka bridges ɛwɔ ha nyina sɛ nkan ne wei ka so interchange no ma yɛ baako agum no ma de aba sakre Dubai no ma yɛ baako agu so ɛne epoko ase de nkware nkwam bɛ yam no kora wo mu wi a na nkwam de kɔ wagya na wan so ma yɛ bi tetakwase no ma yɛ sankara de yi no ma hwie agu fam saa na Trump so ɔbɛyɛ wɔn until so wɔn bɛgya saa niamo ho ne nyam bransam na wɔn mu di nkrɔfo ɛwɔ straight of forms ne so no saa bere ya yɛ ka sɛ ya 11 consecutive nights a wɔn mo ato bomb yi ɛde akɔ Iran fo so akɔ sɛ wɔn mo asɛm ne yɛ tiawa ɛnsɛ sɛ Iran fo nya nuclear weapon tiawa wɔn mo so nya hwio ɛnsɛ sɛ Iran wɔn so wɔn yɛ threat wɔn yɛ terrorist nti wɔn sɛ nya nuclear weapon ka ho a ewiase bɛhye nyɛ sɛ wɔn bɛ ma gye so wɔn bɛ ewiase nyinaa koto wɔn ɛno na America fo so wɔn mpɛ no ɛno na Iran fo so sɛ kia ne ke wɔn bɛbɔ barrier ɛwɔ po so agyegye sika ɛde ayɛ trɔnka saa kosi sɛ wɔn bɛ build nuclear weapon no ɛno na mo fa so wɔn te ase a akɔyɛ man so twin nanso Iran fo no sɛ wɔn mo defense na wɔn mo activate wɔn mo nneɛma no paa ɛwɔ Tehran hɔ yɛ explosive ne ade a wɔn mo report ba hɔ nyinaa no the city of Tabriz ɛne eastern port ɛno ɛwɔ Chabaha ɛne Konarak mfimfini hɔ nyinaa no asɛm kɛse ɛyɛ ato wɔn hɔ na emom wɔn gu so wɔn only nuclear power plant a ɛno koraa ɛwɔ Bashar ɛhɔ koraa mpo no asɛ wɔn Amerikafoɔ na ɛyɛ ato bɔmbo akɔfa nkyɛn hɔ nanso wɔn bɔ ho ban sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ a ɛhɔ no wɔn bɛtumi ayɛ ne biribiara kama na ne bɛ nyinaa kɔ bɔkɔɔ wɔyi so na yɛgyina na yɛde nsɛm no ne nyinaa asie abusua ɛyɛ medimafo ɛba center wɔn na edima yɛn ɛna afei Joshua Kenki ɛbɔ yɛ chidom ɛma yɛde bɛsom wɔ Sompa 106.5 nkran ha ɛne Sompa nkorabata ne nyinaa Ghana ne amanɔne Adamfapa radio butu France wɔn ahenkuro pari no wɔgye kaseɛ yi ma Kingdom 106.1 ɛwɔ mankasim na Kanehye ban radio gye yɛ na afei dɔma 100.7 so ɛfa yɛ no yɛde wo asie St. Augustine Adaworoma ɛna ɔde yɛkɔ Facebook no so ne YouTube ne TikTok ne nyinaa so ma wohunu yɛn anuanom a yɛgye brɛ bɛkenkan kaseɛ no nanso men at work ɔdoma nkoma kyia me ɔbrempɔn nana kwaku ampoma me ne mapam no